Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to do this tutorial for quite a while, especially in the summer months. So I got this Saffron Fire, is that what it's called? Yeah, Saffron Fire lipstick from Bite Beauty from their Spice collection. And I just really wanted to do a simple bronzy look and have the lip as kind of the piece de resistance. So I've had this on my list to do for a while, but I didn't end up being able to do it before the wedding, so here we are. I'm going to start with this Smashbox primer. This is the Petal Metal Primer. This is from the collaboration with Vlada. She's a makeup artist. I believe she's from Eastern Europe, and she does this really cool lip art. And this is kind of like a rose gold primer. The color is just really beautiful. Kind of gives you a glow. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Shameless Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Light Y270. I'm just going to apply this with my hands. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. It's a little bit watery, which I actually really like. And I just put it in the center of my face. So chin, nose, forehead. I don't really do it on my cheeks except for right here because I have a little bit of pigmentation, like sun damage, even though I wear sunscreen all the time. But I think it's from driving because the sun is always coming in on this side because I don't have it as bad on that side. I want to look into getting IPL because that's supposed to be really good. If you guys know of any good dermatologists in Toronto, please let me know in the comments. I only have one in Vancouver. Ooh, this foundation's really nice. Next, I'm going to go in with the Omega Bronze Tantastic from Marc Jacobs. Contour a little bit and then bring it onto my cheek and my nose because I want this to be quite a bronzy look. And then forehead, hairline. And then I'm going to take a shadow brush. Whenever you guys ask what eyeshadow I'm wearing on Instagram, it's usually this. It's usually just bronzer. For eyeshadow, I just want to do a really neutral, kind of bronzy, glowy, as I always do. Okay, I'm going to use this. This is from the brand Flawless by Friday. This is their Flawless in 15 palette. This is for eyes. And I'm going to use, what color is it? This one. Just for a little color and shimmer, kind of. But not very much. I don't want to have a very eye heavy look. I just want it to be like kind of defined and glowy. I really don't want very much. A little bit underneath. But I'll do more underneath when I'm done my concealer. That's kind of it though. And then I'm going to use this color Gleam right here for the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, curl my lashes. I just got a new eyelash curler and it works so much better. I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard, medium 1. Just put that around my nose and on any blemishes that I have. I had a big one there, but it's getting better. I'm gonna film kind of my like top 5 acne products. And a lot of them are, most of them are not very expensive. And just how I get rid of a pimple, because that's pretty much gone in a week and it was fucking massive last week. I cannot even tell you. Ugh. So attractive. Whatever, at least it didn't happen during the wedding. That's all I care about. I'm gonna do NYX or NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I really like this mascara. And it's cheap. I'm a big fan of drugstore mascara. They make really good formulas. This side is always clumpier. So annoying. I guess it's the angle. On the bottom, I'm going to use Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. I really like this. I tried a bunch of mascaras and bottom lash mascaras for the wedding, and this one is my current favorite. It doesn't smudge very much. I don't like waterproof mascaras very much because they're so hard to get off, and so I don't really want to use them on a daily basis, but this one is my current favorite. I kind of like long bottom lashes, like pretty lashy. And this enables you to really get in there. Oh shit, I forgot to put more eyeshadow on the bottom. I'll do it later. There we go. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow. Just brush my brows straight up. Super bushy because I'm doing a really bright lip, and so I don't want much on my eyes, but I do love a good bushy brow. Okay, so I've been loving this NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder. It's really shimmery, it's a really pretty blush. So I just take a bit on a brush. Make sure you tap off the excess because it can be very pigmented. And then I've been using it kind of as a blush and as a highlighter a little bit. Just makes you look really kind of bronze and glowy. And then you can put a bit on your nose too. Almost like you're a little bit sunburnt, but like cute sunburnt, not like lobster. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this Bite Beauty Saffron Fire color. This is from their Spice collection. My friend Sarah actually taught me a tip because I'm not very good at putting lipstick on. And she said, just don't worry about the edges right now and just put it on and then rub it into your lips and kind of go right to the edge of your lips. And it does a pretty good, ew, I always try and talk when I'm putting lipstick on. It does a pretty good job of getting the lipstick kind of where you want it, and then you can go in and just trace along the outer edges. I like to go slightly over my lip line on my top lip just because it's a little bit less full than my bottom. It's pretty good. This color is so pretty. I'm going to take a small brush with this kind of gold gleam color right here and put that in the inner corner of my eyes. I think I might take a little bit of that along my cheekbone too. Okay, I'm going to do one more quick coat of mascara. And then I'm just gonna powder only where I don't want any sheen or shine or anything. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder, and I'm gonna go under my eyes and around my mouth and my chin and my forehead. But I still do like a little bit of shimmer kind of like here. And on my nose too. Okay, there we go. Oh, I just love this lip color with a bronzy face and eye. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Anything in my teeth? No. Yes.